Lightweight safety shoes are an essential choice for workers who require protection without sacrificing mobility, comfort, or long-day wearability. They must balance toe protection, sole durability, slip resistance, and weight, while also accommodating movement-intensive tasks. In this review, I tested 5 models representing a range of brands and price.
List number 1. Furrion steel-toe sneakers for men, women, lightweight safety shoes, comfortable. The Furrion model presents a lightweight steel-toe sneaker-style safety shoe with slip-on convenience and a focus on everyday durability. It emphasizes puncture resistance and a streamlined upper that blends casual comfort with work-ready protection. At $31.99, it sits in the budget tier while offering core safety features expected in a modern safety sneaker, including a reinforced toe cap and likely a flexible outsole design for all-day wear. In real-world use, the Furrion appears well-suited for light to moderate industrial environments, warehouse tasks, and service roles where quick on-off is valuable. The slip-on design can improve workflow efficiency, though it may trade a bit of lockdown fit for convenience. The outsole behavior and midsole cushioning are adequate for fatigue reduction over an 8 to 10 hour shift, but users may notice less underfoot support on uneven surfaces. The shoe's puncture resistance and overall indestructible branding suggest robust upper materials, though long-term abrasion resistance would benefit from explicit material specs and outsole hardness ratings.
List number 2. Skechers Men's CANKTON Steel-Toe Electrical Hazard Construction Shoes. Skechers brings a recognized lifestyle-minded safety shoe with a steel toe and electrical hazard rating. The Kankton model pairs a durable leather upper with a flexible rubber outsole and memory foam cushioned insole, targeting comfort over extended wear. At $69.99, it sits at the premium end of this list, reflecting Skechers' emphasis on comfort tech alongside traditional safety features. Performance-wise, the Kankton excels in comfort thanks to memory foam and a well-cushioned midsole, which helps reduce fatigue during long shifts. The leather upper contributes to durability and weather resistance, while the rating broadens suitability for environments with potential electrical exposure. The outsole likely offers solid slip resistance, though aggressive torque or heavy debris may test the tread. For users who prioritize comfort and more shoe-like feel without sacrificing toe protection, this model is a strong all-day option, especially in settings with standing or walking workloads.
List number 3. Larnmern steel-toe shoes for men, women, wide, lightweight safety sneakers. Larnmern offers a unisex, wide-fitting safety sneaker with steel-toe protection. Marketed as lightweight and colorful, it targets both comfort and casual aesthetic preferences while meeting basic safety standards. Priced at $36.79, it slots into the mid-range for value, appealing to users who want a more versatile, everyday look without compromising on toe protection. In real-world use, the wide fit can be a boon for users with broader feet or those who swell during shifts, reducing constriction and improving blood circulation. The sneaker-like silhouette suggests a comfort-first approach, likely with a cushioned insole and a grippy outsole. However, without explicit or puncture-proof details, it's best suited for indoor or light-duty outdoor tasks rather than environments with serious electrical hazards or heavy puncture risks. Durability will depend on material quality and stitching, important factors for longer-term wear.
List number 4. Hogent steel-toe shoes for women, men, wide, non-slip composite work sneakers, indestructible, comfortable. Hogent presents a composite toe option with a wide fit and non-slip outsole, focusing on breathable construction and ergonomic design. Priced at $36.99, it targets users seeking a balance of protection and comfort without the heft of steel. The composite toe reduces weight and can improve thermal comfort in hot environments, while the non-slip sole supports work surface safety. In practice, the Hogent model should feel nimble and comfortable for all-day wear, particularly for jobs requiring constant movement. The composite toe contributes to a lighter overall feel and might be suitable for workplaces with lighter risk profiles or where heat dissipation is a concern. If puncture resistance and EH ratings aren't clearly stated, users should verify exact certifications before usage in hazardous settings. Breathability and ergonomic design are strong selling points for extended shifts and all-day standing tasks.
List number 5. SPIEZ Slip-On Safety Shoes for Men. SPIEZ offers a budget-friendly, non-steel composite toe slip-on with a fashion-forward sneaker vibe. At $25.26, this is the most affordable option in the lineup, emphasizing convenience and all-day protection without the heft of metal toes. The hands-free convenience and broad size range from US 5.5 to 13.5 make this a flexible choice for varied users with a need for easy footwear entry. Performance-wise, SPIEZ prioritizes ease of use and general safety features suitable for workplaces with moderate risk. The absence of steel toe reduces weight, which is beneficial for all-day wear and quick transitions between tasks. However, the lack of steel or composite toe specifics means it's essential to confirm protective standards for your particular work environment. The design is attractive for general use, but the trade-off is potentially lower impact protection compared to steel toe models.